Krauk and Joe Sanjamino, Compass West Land Sales. I am at the Bulls and Bucks Ranch. This place is 3,000 acres. It borders tens of thousands of acres of Lolo National Forest. I've got a hunting lodge, I've got hunting cabins, I've got places for the horses and the dogs. We've got a campfire. Come check this place out. Hi guys, I'm back at the Bulls and Bucks Ranch. We have an elevated hawk blind at this watering hole. This is a spring-fed watering hole. This is a place that draws in game from around the area because this is where they can come and get water. It's set up nicely with this elevated blind. We've got game cams to track what's coming in and out of this place. It is hot. Come check this out.